Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a stay-at-home quarantine makeup look. This is a simple, easy, quick makeup look that you can use while you're working from home, if you're working from home, or if you just want to look put together. So that is what this look is going to be all about. So first, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. I've already washed my face. And you guys know I usually come on here with my brows already done, but being so this is a quick look, I'm going to show you what I do with my brows when I'm not trying to do too much but want to look put together. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. It is bomb. I use this all the time. I've gone through so many bottles of this. It's super lightweight and it applies really well with everything else that I'm going to put on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy and weighed down. So check it out if you haven't tried it already. But that is my skin looking glowy. So next I'm going to go in with this primer. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. I love this primer because it evens out my skin tone. It brightens up my small dark spots that I may have from scarring or anything like that. It also just allows my under eyes to look more awake and my skin just look more awake. So I just rub that in all over my skin. Look at me just feeling myself. I haven't worn makeup since we've been quarantining, so yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So next I'm going to go in with this NARS Illuminating Illuminizer. It is going to give me a glow under what I'm going to use as my foundation today. And I just put it on the high points of my cheek and on my nose because those are the parts that I want to show a lot of highlighting. And so I'm just going to rub that into the skin. And I hope you guys been doing well. Comment down below some things you've been doing during this quarantine. Next, I'm going to go in with this tinted moisturizer by Boscia. I haven't posted, I think I'm going to put this video up first, but be on the lookout. Comment down below if you guys want me to show you my part 3 foundation declutter, but this is a part of that declutter, and this tinted moisturizer is everything. It has SPF in it, so it's perfect for the summer when we finally do get out. I will be using this while I'm in the summer on the beach, when I'm out in the sun. It's super lightweight and just really lightweight on the skin. I already said that. Super lightweight, really lightweight on the skin. What are you talking about? Anywho, it's super lightweight and I really love the undertone of this. It doesn't look ashy. Some tinted moisturizers pull on my skin as ashy, so that's why I really love this. And it gives me a natural glow, although I added some glow products under as a primer and all that jazz. But super easy to apply. And you guys hear me talk about this sponge all the time, but look how quick I'm basically done with applying it all over my face. But yes, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy and just staying positive. Definitely check out my last Get Ready With Me video when we were talking about being positive. It'll be listed in the cards above. So next I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do my brows. I'm using this Morphe Brow Precision Pencil. This is in the shade Chocolate Mousse. So typically I do my brows first because doing my brows first, it just makes me feel comfortable and it sculpts my face. But comment down below if you do your eyebrows first, if you do your eyebrows after you apply your foundation. So I do my eyebrows first, but for a look like this, I definitely just go ahead and apply my tinted moisturizer, and then I just fill in the sparse areas on my brows. I do not need to sculpt them out because, as I mentioned before, this is a quick, like, get ready with me type of look. Like, it's just a quick, easy, no time consumed too much on the face for this type of look. So here I'm just filling in those sparse areas and just making it look like the illusion that I sculpted out, but it's not really sculpted out. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here on my brows. So brows are done, and now we're going to go in with these concealers. These are the Josie Maran Vibrancy concealers. I've talked about these concealers all the time here on my channel. It's one of my favorite concealers. Super easy, especially with a look like this. It's going to help with depuffing. This morning when I woke up to do this video, my allergies were on 1,000 and I'm really sleepy anyway, so it's just causing me to be more drowsy, especially after taking my Benadryl. But this particular concealer will help with depuffing. It will help with keeping my under eye hydrated and looking more awake. So I'm going in with the medium tan, which is the darker one, and then medium for the lighter one, just to give my eyes and my under eye a bit more of an awakened look. Just going to add it to the high points of my face that I like to highlight, which is my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and then, like I said, in the inner center of the eye, because this is a natural look. This concealer is like a medium coverage. You can build it up to full coverage, but to me, it's just a medium coverage that you can use like on a daily basis. If you want to spot conceal, this is a perfect concealer for that as well. And here, I'm just blending that all in, making sure everything is even. What has been your favorite snack during this social distancing? Mine has been a lot of healthy stuff. Like, I've been eating a lot of, trying different smoothies. I know that a lot of sugar comes from the natural sugars from fruit, but I've been doing a lot of smoothies, a lot of vegetables with creating my own dip. But yeah, that's just a little fun fact while I'm doing this. So next I'm going to set everything with the Mercier translucent powder. This is the original one. And I'm just going to take a little bit just to set that concealer, placing that under my eye. It's going to keep it bright, but also set it at the same time without it cracking and all that. So I'm only taking a little bit, just setting it. I will not be baking for this technique because we want the face to just look fresh, clean, natural, just put together, like I said, for those conference calls, if you're on videos, just put together for work if you're not, if you have to still go in and not do videos. So that's what this look is going for. And here I'm going to be picking up my Cover FX powder. This is a setting powder. I have it in the shade G80. It's upside down, but I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face. This is a matte finish type of powder, but it's super lightweight. It doesn't feel cakey or heavy on the skin when applying it. So as you can see, I'm just putting that all over my face where I did not put translucent powder. And I'm not doing it too much because I still want my face to look glowy. And then I'm going to bronze it a little bit with my Benefit Caramel Hoola bronzer, or Benefit Hoola bronzer in the shade Caramel, the technical terminology. But I'm going to lightly bronze my face, not sculpt it too much because, like I said, we're doing a natural look here. I'm not for the whole extra beat for staying at home. I really don't even wear like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup while we've been home, but a little trick that I do with my bronzer too to make my face look all well put together is put a little bit of the bronzer on my eyelid, just all over the lid, buffing that out all the way up to the crease, up closely as I can get it to my brow bone, but just not too far, but just a little something on the eyelid just to give dimension to the face, and the whole face just looks, you know, put together with depth and things like that. So here I'm just buffing that out. This brush I got from Amazon in a set, so I don't know the name of it, so I do apologize about that, but it's just a fluffy brush. You can use any crease brush or a blending brush to do the same thing with your bronzer on the eyes. And next I'm going to be pulling out my blush. This is a Tarte Blush. Forgot the shade, but it'll be linked down below with all of the other products that I use for this look, so make sure you check the description box out. And I'm just using this one because it's a light, I can't even talk. It's like a light pink blush. Ooh, a tongue twister. And it's just really natural. It's not gonna do too much or make the pink look too powerful on the cheek. It's gonna even everything out and just give a little color, a little flush tone on the cheek. And I'm just going to wipe away that extra translucent powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. I'm not putting on any falsies for this look. Super natural. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Benefit Bagger or Bang Mascara. This one you can get volume, length, and drama on the lashes without doing too much. The wand is so flexible, so you can get inside the eye, in the inner corner on those smaller lashes. You can get on the bottom lash line and get those lashes. Here I'm just cleaning up a little mascara got on my eyelid, but I add so many coats of this mascara and it's not crunchy. It doesn't flake by the end of the day. I love this mascara. Probably going to be putting one of these in my cart. Sephora sale is coming up, so make sure your post notifications are on. Turn that bell on and subscribe. Have you subscribed already, girl? What are you doing? Subscribe so you won't miss my next upload. I upload every week. I get videos out every week, so make sure your post notification bell is turned on and you're subscribed. So yes, I'm doing the bottom lashes, and this thing just really enhances lashes like nobody's business without it feeling irritable or crunchy or flaking like I said before. So yes, that's why I love this mascara. I've gone through 3 bottles of this already. So this is my 4th one that I've used. And then next I'm going to go in with the La Mercier translucent powder, but the glow version. So it's the La Mercier Glow translucent powder, and I'm going to use that as my highlighter. And what I typically do is I'll put that highlighter on my high bones of my cheek, but I'll also bring it around under the eye just to make my eye look even brighter. And so I've been doing that technique sometimes when I do my natural looks. It just gives the glow throughout the under eye and the cheeks as well. And this is a perfect highlighter for those everyday looks, and it just pops even more when you wet your face with your setting spray. This is the e.l.f. coconut setting spray. I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. I haven't done this in so long. It was so cold. That's why I made that face. And then I'm going to make sure everything is set in place. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead with one of my lip glosses that's been a fave, which is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine lip gloss. And I'm going to just wear that gloss. I ended up pairing it with the Morphe Good Vibes Brown lip liner, just a little bit, just to give dimension to the lips. But this lip gloss is so comfortable, it's so bomb, and it's just like a everyday natural lip gloss, which I really, really like. And yeah, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video while we're social distancing. Let me know if you've been wearing makeup and working from home. Like I said before, what are some activities that you've been doing? What are some snacks you've been eating on? Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. But yeah, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video.